Hi, I'm Emmanuel, and welcome to the in-depth review of OQS Ocean Explorer Catamaran. In this video, we'll be focusing on the Ocean Explorer C60, which is a 60-foot catamaran, fully customizable. If you want your light and fast regatta racing boat, or your luxury home on the seas, anything you want and anything in between. But before we talk about the boat, let me introduce you to the companies behind OQS.
Ocean Quality Systems is a consolidation and collaboration between four companies, each at the forefront of their industry and the boat building industry as well. Being long-time subcontractors of other major boat building companies like Nauto Swan and Baltic Yachts, they have taken their combined expertise and know-how to create a first in the Scandinavian region, multi-hull catamarans. The first company we'll look at is the youngest of the partners, Polypoint. After going through the initial stages of a startup, the company settled on three founders that have been with the company since 1998. Polypoint is an engineering company which focuses on designing and implementing HVAC systems, as well as being involved in architectural design, concept designs, and interior layouts. Working with legendary naval architect Herman Fraisse, Polypoint is a big contributor to the overall layout and design of the Ocean Explorer, as well as the overseeing and management of the entire boat construction process. The second company is Arcu-Electro. Before establishing the company in 1982, Peter Skoogveld was employed as an electrician by Nauto Swan. Since forming his own company, and to this day, Peter and now with his two sons continue to install marine electronics in the boating industry. Next, we have Riskas Snickaris. Established in 1980, Riskas have strived from the get-go to be Finland's leading furnishing company. Combining their extensive knowledge with the latest development in technology, Riskas has already worked in more than 3,500 motorboats, 1,500 sailing boats, 15 ships, as well as hotels, churches, municipality houses, airplanes, and RVs. The fourth company in OQS is Vibu Metal. In 1968, Vibu Metal has been creating custom metal fittings for the boat building industry with stainless steel, aluminium, titanium, and much more. The company even boasts of a factory site with a clean floor where only stainless steel metals and above can enter. No rust is allowed onto the factory floor. This is to make sure that none of the other products are contaminated by rust, ensuring the best and highest quality products. Even though the company was only established in 2010, these four companies represent 136 years of boat building expertise. In other words, they may be a new company, but they're not a startup. They all share a single goal: build the best possible catamaran that meets every need and fulfills every desire of their clients. Which is exactly what they did for the owner of the first catamaran, the Ocean Explorer, Like a Breeze. When the clients first approached their skipper for a recommendation who to build their dream catamaran, the skipper suggested, if you want the best, Jakobstad is the place. After comparing with a few competing catamaran builders, the clients settled on the Ocean Explorer. It was a huge risk as this was OQS's first catamaran. Everything only existed in drawings and there weren't even any molds. However, the concept of the Ocean Explorer C60 was exactly what they were looking for. Performance-orientated luxury cruiser with family-orientated comforts. Starting in April 2012, OQS built a custom-made catamaran that sailed away on the 2nd of September 2013. After sailing across the Atlantic in the Ark race, the owner said, and I quote, "the best combination of luxury and performance in the multi-hull world." The Ocean Explorer C60 holds a CE Ocean A classification certified by DNV GL. Combined with OQS's dedication to safety and performance, this is a catamaran that you can confidently take across any ocean. The hulls are 18.5 meters long and the beam is 9.08 meters, accommodating 4 double cabins, each with its own head and certified to carry 16 people in comfort and style. The saloon has about 32 square meters and hosts a full working galley, and by the client's request, that includes a 4-stove gas burner, an oven, a dishwasher, an ice maker, as well as a dinner table that is adjustable with an electrical elevator. The TV too is elevated from behind the ship's bar, which is supplemented with 2 wine cellars, red on the port side and chilled white on the starboard side. The F cockpit sports two separate dining and lounge areas with tables that can be connected to create one large dining and entertaining space, accommodating 12 people comfortably. On board Like a Breeze, the engine has been configured to the middle of the hulls, allowing full height access in any sort of weather. To obtain the best cost-to-power ratio, Like a Breeze has been fitted with two 110 horsepower engines that provide an engine cruising speed of 9 knots, with the possibility of reaching above 12 knots. Also by the client's request, this catamaran has been fitted with 6 different sails that enables the ship to sail in any variable wind condition and direction. Since her launch in 2013, Like a Breeze has already a sail log past 40,000 nautical miles, including several Atlantic crossings, coping with severe wind conditions and still coming out of it without any failures whatsoever. So join me in the next video to find out the amazing engineering that OQS Master Shipwrights employ to create this masterpiece that is the Ocean Explorer 60-footer catamaran.